Do you fantasize about the Greek islands, their distinctive villages and beaches, and the spectacular views of Athens? Ever taken a glimpse at the Acropolis in its natural location? And what a wonderful country with all its great sites of interest throughout. If you are looking for adventures, travel to Greece for a relaxing seaside holiday or cultural experience. When in Greece, Greeks know best how to live well. Greece consists of countless idyllic islands surrounded by ocean blue seas and covered in white buildings. You'll also find ancient ruins, engaging museums, coastal towns, and more to discover. Greece is an enchanting country filled with ancient mythology, and when you enjoy archaeology, history, art, and philosophy, a vacation in this fascinating country should not be missed. Ancient mythology, engaging museums, and beautiful coastal towns await travelers in Greece. It's worth watching the video all the way to learn more about these attractions. Starting with the blue caves of Zakynthos, which are the main draw for tourists visiting. This small island is located just 16 kilometers off the west coast of Peloponnese in Greece and is a top tourist destination. It is surrounded by gentle green hills, ancient olive trees, and blue water. Millions of visitors flock to see this place each year, and the natural beauty, beaches, green water, limestone cliffs, and lagoons make it totally unique from other areas in the country. This island boasts two of the most famous beaches, Shipwreck Beach and Blue Caves. Shipwreck Beach is on the island's northern tip, while in the town of Island Harbor, you can find the Blue Caves. It reflects in a mystical blue hue due to its dark walls and crystal clear water. If you would like to experience many things in one destination, a select few beaches require more than just the traditional beach vacation. If you didn't know, Elafonisi Beach, located on Crete Island, is one of the most popular on the island with its striking contrast of pink and white sand. This beach is very well connected by land and sea, thus attracting many tourists to the island throughout the summer months. Self-guided day trip to visit the beautiful Elafonissos Beach with fantastic views and calm weather, spending time soaking up the turquoise blue lagoon waters of the Aegean before heading back to the teeming streets of Chania for lunch on the covered shopping plaza. In the region of Greece is the city Epidaurus, which houses the Epidaurus Theater. The theater was built during ancient times and has changed very little since then, containing a stone tier that transports you back in time to a performance you could have seen in antiquity. The sanctuary of Asclepius is located alongside it, and you can visit both at once. The monument was hidden from sight until 1881 when several excavations occurred. Since then, no original ancient drama has been performed there, but all plays were remakes of classic tales. Plays started again in 1938 and have been presented in the theater for centuries. Since 1954, the famed Epidavria Festival has been held each summer to celebrate ancient Greek dramas and modern plays. From 1955 onward, national and international artists would come to perform in the city of Athens. As a tourist, Thessaloniki is sure to fall in love because it has beautiful views, chaos, culture, delicious cuisine, and history that is rich. Since the global economic crisis hit Greece in 2008, tourism has continued to thrive with its laid-back beach culture. The ancient city houses a diverse student population with an artsy and bohemian flair. There is also bustling nightlife with astounding coast views and verdant mountains. Thessaloniki's new waterfront is evidence that architecture can improve urban life. Completed in 2013, it has been embraced by the people of Thessaloniki with absolute delight as a perfect place to promenade, skate, bike, play, or just enjoy peripatetic conversation. The 34 meters high White Tower has a history of violence and imprisonment due to its role as the Ottomans' prison and execution site. Its current name, Lefkos Piagos, comes from one prisoner who painted it white in exchange for his freedom in 1883. The Thessaly Plains in Greece are full of ancient monasteries that are now open to the public. Visitors will find flickering candles and religious icons inside these sanctuaries, along with Byzantine frescoes and sacred sandals to burn incense. Each monastery has unique characteristics and is set into the rocks like a staircase. Meteora is a breathtaking, magical cluster of over 300 rocks in Thessaly. Atop the rocks are the many monasteries created by the monks. These rock monasteries key point places of pilgrimage and are some of the most picturesque, beautiful locations to visit in all of Greece. There are varying schedules for all 6 monasteries. You need at least one full day in the area to see all. The nearest town, Kalambaka, provides provides a pleasant, relaxing environment with small hotels and family-run restaurants serving traditional food. There are naturally north and south entrances to the monastery, but for more information about the monasteries, you should consider visiting when there's always someone waiting to show you inside. The best part about this site is that it has anything from family-run restaurants to small hotels, which all serve traditional fare. In Greece, Corfu Island is one of the most scenic islands. The island offers lush landscapes and top-notch resorts that have climbed their way up to be considered a luxury destination in the country. The growth in tourism over time has spread out the population to make it cosmopolitan. However, inside this island, you will find untouched areas with beautiful villages with Greek heritage. While Corfu town was once influenced by Venetians, the French, and the English, it is now a bustling base for exploration. Wander through narrow cobblestone alleys and explore intriguing museums in the fascinating town square of Spionata. Take an overview of the glorious past of Corfu on your boat ride to some picturesque seaside villages with green forests. It's incredible how different sides of an idyllic island coexist in harmony. If you can peel away from this enchanting town, move to the beaches and towns near Cabos, Glyfada, and Paleokastritsa. Nestled in sandy coves surrounded by green forested mountains, these beaches are some of the best destinations on the island. The famous Lake Plastera is located in the prefecture of Karditsa and was named after Nikolaos Plasteras, a former prime minister of Greece. Located 30 kilometers west of Karditsa town, the lake is actually artificial. The massive arch-shaped dam created a reservoir, and this artificial lake, the peaceful Lake Plastera in the Agrafa Mountains, is known for its beautiful scenery and sylvan backdrop. The region surrounding the lake is known for the verdant woods, oaks, planes, and chestnut trees that make up this picturesque area. This region of Greece is a favorite honeymoon destination, offering activities such as horseback riding, mountain biking, canoeing, boating, rambling, and rafting. Lake Plastera is a man-made lake in Greece surrounded by oak and chestnut trees. You can canoe, raft, horse ride, or hike along trails around the lake while enjoying the recreation-filled afternoon. Plastera is located in the Larditsa region of Greece, which offers adventure-filled afternoons throughout this gem in Greece's natural beauty. It offers diverse activities such as horse riding, mountain biking, canoeing and boating, rambling, and rafting. Lake Plastera is an ideal honeymoon destination. If you are visiting Greece for your vacation, we recommend adding Rhodes Town to your trip. The city's architecture and rich culture make it one of the most popular travels in this country. It is also close to Turkey, giving visitors access to a piece of land that has been a hub for trade with Turkey for many centuries. The large island of Rhodes with the medieval city of Rhodes sits on the northern side. The north coast is lined with high-rise hotels, while the eastern and southern shores are dotted with small villages and resorts. Rhodes offers beaches, bars, ancient sites, and more authentic Greece that can be found throughout the urban area in the hills. One of the most famous islands in Greece, Mykonos, is on the Greek Cyclades. The Greeks claim that Mykonos was created by the bodies of filbert giants, which Hercules killed. And did you know that the island got its name from Apollo's grandson? If you visit Mykonos Island, Greece, you might think that the old town is full of tall, narrow streets and little shops. If so, you would be partly correct. The area covering the old town and the main port is a maze of narrow streets full of beautiful houses and small shops painted white or blue. You will find Mycenaean ruins along the busy waterfront from the Greek Revolution. The first floor of Kazarma served as a residence for Manto Mavrogianus, one of Greece's most beloved revolutionaries. Unmistakable by anything else in Mykonos, you would know when you've entered her home by spotting an iconic pelican statue on the wall. Petros was found by a fisherman in 1954 and quickly became a friend to locals who quickly collected up after his death to commemorate him. So if you're walking by one night and spot Petros while his successor now accompanies him, take a digital picture with them. On top, visiting the Acropolis Museum is one of Greece's best things to see. It holds the rich and ancient heritage of Greece. The Acropolis is where people can go to witness glimpses of past Athens and Greek cultures, such as beautiful sculptures, rare pieces of artwork, knight swords, and dresses. Stunningly, the Acropolis consists of majestic columns and rich architecture. This includes ancient temples with impressive features. For anyone interested in ancient architecture, finding awe-inspiring sights here is non-stop. The pathways are perfect for personal walking explorations. Adorning the city of Athens, Greece, is the Acropolis. Anyone interested in ancient architecture can marvel at the Doric columns and stunning temples. If you are in Greece, this is probably one of the top attractions not to miss, and the arching complex made from brilliant marble used to house the famous statue of Athena. Get the chance to explore a complex of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and unique experiences all in one country, as long as you're in Greece. The rugged countryside, exotic beaches, pristine rivers, valley-like lakes, and dense forests will surely amaze you.